Have you noticed that whenever a coloring book niche starts to do well on Amazon, it doesn't take long before everyone starts to notice. Suddenly that niche fills up, dozens of new books appear every day, covers start to look the same, interiors start to feel familiar, and before you know it, the niche that once looked promising becomes very difficult to break into, especially if you're new. But today isn't about the most popular coloring books, it's about the ones that people aren't paying attention to. There are still coloring book niches on Amazon that don't get much attention and don't have hundreds of nearly identical listings competing for the same buyer. You just have to be willing to look a little deeper. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through a few coloring book niches that are often overlooked, but still show signs of real demand and real potential. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first often overlooked coloring book niche on Amazon that still has potential is going to be the Swearing Cats coloring book. Now we see total results only 371, so not very competitive here. Niche score from Titans Quick View shows a 60, and the Titans Pro Analysis demand pretty high at a 7, opportunity a 9. Now looking through the books, the first row, we're gonna see this book right here ranked at 92,000. Here's one right here, 24,000. This one is ranked at 16,000. The next one, 158,000, and then the last one on the first row, 67,000. So you see the first row books doing very, very well. Going on to the next row, a little bit of a drop off, but there are still some books performing well. This one ranked at 68,000, as well as this one ranked at 225,000. Now, if we take a look at this book as an example, this one's titled Swearing Cats Coloring Book for Adults, Funny Kitty Memes Coloring Pages for Adult Relaxation and Stress Relief. This book is doing pretty well, 4.6 out of 5 rating, 81% overall, a 5-star. So the interiors probably are pretty good here. $9.99 is the price point. And look at this, only 64 pages, so not a lot of illustrations or images here, but still getting some good reviews. And this book is going to be the square size at 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Now, if we take a look at the interior, so here's the front cover and then some of the introductory pages here. There's not really an interior that we can look at, but on the back cover, there are 4 interiors or 4 samples of the interior that we can take a glance at. Looks like it could have been made with AI, but as you can see here, definitely fits the theme of swearing cats. You got some funny cat faces here, some mean mugs, and obviously the customer base here really enjoys this type of book. So if you're wanting to create this book, this is a great example of what is working, so you can obviously take some inspiration. Now, if we look at some of the reviews, there's some images here. So here's an interior fully colored in, and I would say it looks pretty good. And then here's another one right here. Now, there are some reviews here, for example, this one where it's saying that is AI generated. Obviously doesn't like it because maybe the quality is not that great, but there are still a lot of reviews here that really like the book. Now, this book with a bestsellers rank of 24,838 is seeing 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $622 to $933 per month. So I would say this is actually a pretty good performing book for an AI generated coloring book. So it just goes to show you that AI can actually produce some high performing books. Now, the next often overlooked coloring book niche on Amazon that still has potential is going to be the stained glass coloring book. Now we see total results 1,501, and that's actually not too competitive for such a generic search term here. We see niche score 58. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And obviously, if you niche this down, you're going to get total results here that are way less than 1,000. But just to show you the types of stained glass coloring books here, if we look through the first row, we have this one right here ranked at 200,000. Now this one is based off of landscapes. There's another one right here ranked at 122,000, and this one is based off of just window designs. I see floral designs right here. Here's one that has a bird, so maybe animals, flowers, 149,000 BSR. This one, stained glass patterns, ranked at 34,000. This one, 226,000. And this one right here, stained glass winter charm, ranked at 106,000. Dragon theme, 298,000. Butterflies, 152,000. Snowflakes, 109,000. So a lot of different ways to create these stained glass coloring books. Horses, animals, wild animals, elephants. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the stained glass coloring book with 50 bold and simple window designs. This one has a #1 bestseller badge, 4.7 out of 5 overall. 74% is a 5-star. The next largest, 21%, is a 4-star. This one's priced at $9.99 and total 104 pages at your typical 8.5 by 11-inch size. And looking at the interior, here is the front cover, and then book belongs to page, also able to be colored in. And then here is the start of the pages here. So very simple, just a standard type of stained glass coloring book page. Here's another design right there. And then on the back cover, 6 more examples of these stained glass coloring book pages. And if we look at the bestsellers rank, 122,000. So that's good for 30-day royalties, estimated anywhere from $156 to over $200 per month. These types of books can definitely add to your overall royalties. So it's always a good idea to create these books that people don't really pay attention to. And with the A+ content, some more examples here and some more interiors, and then even some mock-ups here of what these would look like, these designs on actual windows. Now, the next often overlooked coloring book niche on Amazon that still has potential is going to be this capybara coloring book. Now, total results 406, so not too competitive here with a niche score of 55. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7. Opportunity is an 8. And let's look through these books here. We have this KDP book right here ranked at 74,000. This one right here ranked even lower at 34,000. And if we go scrolling down, this book ranked at 213,000. This one 87,000. The next one 81,000. 106,000. This one, Cute Capybara Coloring Book, ranked at 81,000. And this Bold and Easy type ranked at 172,000. So a lot of books here doing very, very well in a very overlooked niche. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at that Cute Capybara Coloring Book, this one has a 4.6 out of 5 rating, 86% overall, a 5-star, priced at $9.99, which is what I recommend pricing coloring books at. And this one 87 pages, so only 40 coloring pages overall, so not a very long book. Now, looking at the interior, here is the front cover. Now, even though it says that it was hand drawn, if I was going to take a look at this really in depth, definitely looks like it could have been created by AI. Now, here is one of the pages here, and then the interior looks a little bit better. Looks like it could be hand drawn, but with the way AI is now, I know there are some AI generators out there that can actually create this type of style, so it becomes harder to distinguish if it's actually hand drawn or AI, but that's neither here or there because these interiors look pretty good. And if you notice, the style stays the same, the character stays the same, and just the theme kind of changes. And so a very cohesive book. This is the type of coloring book that you would want to create. Now, this book with the bestsellers rank of 81,837 is seeing an estimated 30-day royalties anywhere from $200 to $300 per month. And if we look at the reviews here, some of the pages, here is the back cover, the front cover, and then part of the interior. Very good review here. Now, I did notice this review where it says likely AI. They drew a circle here where the book wasn't complete. And so, like I suspected, this book looks like it could have been made with AI. So if you are using AI, make sure to look through the pages and make sure that all the lines are complete. And if they're not complete, to go ahead and complete them. It's a very easy way, especially if you're using a program like Canva, to be able to just draw this line to complete this image and clean up places that obviously are kind of messy. But all in all, AI is getting a lot better, and these books are becoming more frequent on Amazon KDP. Now, the next often overlooked coloring book niche on Amazon that still has potential is the Zentangle coloring book. We see total results 1,140, so not too competitive here. Niche score 56. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Looking through these books here is a bestseller book ranked at 289. This Zentangle is 500,000. This one ranked at 2,000. This Zentangle Flowers ranked at 105,000. This one right here, Landscapes, ranked at 103,000. This one, a flower one, ranked at 355,000. Now, if we take a look at this example, this is the Zentangle Flowers coloring book, but I noticed with the title, this is completely misspelled, but obviously still selling very well. This has a 4.0 rating, priced at $11.95. Now this one has over 200 pages, 202 pages to be exact, and that is because there's 100 illustrations, so a little bit more of a lengthy book, which is why the price is a little bit higher. Now if we take a look at the sample, this is the front cover, just a very simple cover. Here is one of the interiors right here. So as you can see, the kind of style of what a Zentangle coloring book page looks like. And then here is another one. And so very similar theme, just a little bit different, but I'm assuming that most of the pages look just like this. And then some more of the interiors on the back cover that is colored in. Looking at the bestsellers rank, 105,000, so that's good for 30-day royalties, estimated anywhere from $149 to over $200 per month. So not too bad from a patterned coloring book that you could actually create using some generators. Some more of the interiors on the A+ content. So as you can see, very similar theme. And then some more interiors here, one fully colored in, and then the black and white version. The next often overlooked coloring book niche on Amazon that still has potential is going to be the Cute and Creepy coloring book. We see total results 1,652. So a little bit competitive here, but still not too bad. Niche score 62. Titans Pro analysis says demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. And looking through the books here, 146,000. This one bestseller, 7,317. This one 815. This one is 154,000. Going on to the next row, another bestseller, Creepy Kawaii, 173,000. Adorable Creepy, 108,000. Cozy Spooky, 79,000. Spooky Cutie, 12,000. Creepy Kawaii, 97,000. And even more here, this one, Cutest Serial Killers, 93,000. Creepy Curiosities, 19,000. Cozy Cults, 25,000. So a lot of different ways you could go about creating this type of book. And these books tend to do very, very well. Now looking at this example, this is titled Adorable Creepy Coloring Book with spooky, gothic, cute, kawaii creatures, monsters, and animals for adults and teens. This one has a 4.7 out of 5 rating. 85% is a 5-star, so the interiors here probably doing pretty well. $9.99 is the price point. 124 pages overall, so 55 pages to color. And when we read this sample, here is the front cover, and then pages of the interior are right here. So here's the first one. And with my honest opinion, I'm going to say that this probably likely generated by AI, a little older version of AI. You can definitely see that with the intricacies here, with the patterns in these areas right here. Here's the next one. Looks like some of these lines are not very uniform. And then some more examples of these pages here. Now, in this type of niche, AI tends to do well because this is a fantasy type of coloring book, and so the hands don't have to be perfect. The face obviously is not going to be perfect, and it's really about design. And so this is a niche that you really could take advantage of AI, create a great looking book. And obviously with a 4.7 out of 5 rating, this just goes to show you that there is a place for AI with KDP coloring books. You just have to find the right niches to really take advantage of the sales that are there to be made. Now, some A+ content here, some more interiors. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at some images of the reviews, you can see the quality here. And then some coloring pages here that are fully colored in by the customer. Looks pretty good as a final result. If you're still early in your KDP journey and you want a clear roadmap for getting started, I've linked my KDP Royalty Roadmap down below. It's free and it'll walk you through the fundamentals of creating and publishing low and medium content books on Amazon KDP. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.